Hey guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. And today I'm just doing some chores in the greenhouse. It's the weekend. It's a pleasant day. So before the rain comes, I like to make sure everything's okay. See what I can set out. If we're going to have rain. So see what needs. See which plants need the rainwater and which ones can. Which ones can, set it out this round. Oh, hang on just a moment. Yeah, I hear my Ring doorbell. I think I got a package coming. Okay, yes, Amazon just dropped off a package. So let's do an unboxing. Okay, let me see. Let me bring you guys down. This umbrella is going to be, the umbrella pole is going to be in the way a little bit. So, okay, so here is my box. I forgot what I had purchased. Not that it's been that long, it's just I forgot. Okay, the first things I got was a book. Let's do it this way. Hang on, I'm gonna turn you guys around. Let's go this way. Okay, so I have the Old Farmer's Almanac, Vegetable Gardener's Handbook. So I got that. It says all you need to know to grow your best vegetable garden ever with tried and true advice. So I'm old school, so I know about the Farmer's Almanac. So yeah, looks good. And let's see, the Old Farmer's Almanac. Let's see which this is copyright 2019. So love it. Beautiful pictures. Yeah. So I can't wait tonight when I kind of wind down. I'll read through this. Okay, so that's what I got. I think that was money. It's well worth it. And then what is this? Oh, this is the succulent starter kit. I have a lot of succulents I need to repot. And getting in between all those little spaces, you do need special tools. Okay, so this is what it starts out like. And these are great for watering small plants. Then you have your cup. Here's little pruners. You need little tools for the little plants, little stuff like this, little spade, and to rake up that dirt, get some little dirt, and then this is kind of like your dirt cup. You put your dirt in here, and you can kind of maneuver that dirt around. I'll do a video when I transplant my succulents. I'll do a video on that. I don't have my microphone on. I almost put it, but I like the sounds of the outdoors. I like hearing the birds and all of that. Okay, so here we got some snips. And you got a makeup brush, brush all the little dust and dirt off. And you will need some tweezers from time to time to get the little dead plants off. You got a needle nose, a straight, and then a bent. And you can do all of your stuff on a waterproof mat. And let me show you how you use this, and then working on your succulent projects. Snap these together. And so you have a nice workspace. Do everything here and keep all of your supplies while you're working, repotting your plants. It doesn't get all over the place. That's cute, because I like to just sit out here, and I hate mess. Even though I like to garden, I don't like dirt all, every place. I like it contained. Okay, so I have that. And then we have some more pots. Let's see. These are 8-inch pots with drainage holes and saucers. And I will probably use these for my salad bowls. So you got these. You have the saucer at the bottom like this. Let's see, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. Do I have the right amount of saucers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's an odd number. Okay, so let me see. What do I have that might look good in these pots right now? Something like this. Let me find another plant. I think when I transplant this, I'm going to use these, and I just fill the soil up to this line, and this would be a good up pot for that. But the other ones, I'm going to have my salad greens in them. Okay guys, so just wanted to share a quick unboxing. And I thought I had purchased something else. I think at the last minute I switched it and I saw these because I thought I had some decorative planters that I wanted to get, but I think these are more useful for what I'm doing for making a bunch of salad bowls, because I'm going to succession plant. You start one and then 2 weeks later, because I want the lettuce to just keep growing and growing and growing. Okay guys, so thank you so much for stopping by, and yes, I give all of these things a thumbs up, and especially my little succulent kit, vegetable garden. This is the Old Farmer's Almanac Vegetable Gardener's Handbook, so I definitely recommend everything. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna put the links down because no one ever buys from my links. So, but if I get around to it, I will put some links down in my description box. If you don't see anything there, you can just how to pull that stuff up on Amazon. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe and hit that bell notification so I'll be notified the next time you upload. So you will be notified. Okay, family, thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate your support. And if you got any ideas or any inspiration from this video, I appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. All right. And yes, and hit that bell notification. When you hit subscribe and it has a little black bell that says all, and hit that so that you will be notified every time I upload any new content. Okay, that's so important to keep the content coming and to shed a positive light on this content. Okay, so this is a home, and this is Tanya's Tasteful Table, and I also have another channel called Posh Plants and Garden. Love it. And so hitting that bell notification is very important. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Bye, Mom.